Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this multifunctional tripod, and I think it's nice because you can use it as a phone stand or as a camera stand, which I think it's really nice. You can, well, take it with you anywhere because it's really easy to transport. It's really slim and it comes in this travel bag, which I think it's nice. As you can see, you can close it like this on this side and take it with you wherever you want. Take it out of here. As you can see, this is the main unit. You can open it or close it depending on what you need, like this. So you can extend the base part, as you can see. And now it won't move. You have these parts to extend it, which I think it's really nice. You can get it quite high, which is really nice. These locks feels really secure. They are nice. You actually feel the pressure when you close them or open them, which I think it's an excellent feature. This part you can select how tilted you want it, which I think it's a nice feature. And you have this space where you can place your phone stand and it spins, okay? So you don't have to be spinning your proper phone stand. This part we have a phone stand with a cold shoe, which I think it's really nice. And this part is spring mechanism, which I think it's excellent. And to lock the, well, way that it's orientated, you just close this part and it locks, okay? I'm gonna place it right here, and as you can see, I'm not gonna turn the phone stand, just this circular part. Now it's locked, which I think it's nice. And we also have a shooting button that we can connect to Bluetooth to our cell phone, so we can select when to take a photo or start the video, which I think it's nice. Okay, it has this little strap that I'm gonna place it on. You can have it with you and take the photo or the video independently without having to press on your cell phone, which I think it's a nice option. And obviously the instruction manuals, all the product diagram, which I think it's nice, and the instructions on how to open it, which I think it's really nice. Another feature that I find quite nice is that you have this, in this part, a standard 1/4 of an inch screw, so you can place it wherever you need, which I think it's really nice. And overall, I think it's nice. It feels of an amazing quality, and overall, I will really recommend it. See you guys.